So you've now figured out that a business trust is the solution for what it is you're trying to accomplish. So how do you get one of these and how do you get it set up? You got 3 different ways to do it. You can either do it yourself, you can have us do it for you, or we'll do it together. Now with the do-it-yourself, you got to do all the research. You got to figure out how all the pieces work. You got to find out what's important, what's not, what's the context, how does it all happen? How does it all come together? Who knows how much that's going to cost you? Now, we can do it for you. You elect the private client option. We'll do everything for you. It's 10 grand, and that's what that's all about. Or the third one, which is the done together, done with you. We do it together. This has really worked the best. And this is what we call an ESeminar. The ESeminar is a hybrid. We do it together. And what's included in this is a comprehensive owner's manual. And this owner manual includes all your basic operation, plus all the privacy strategies that we've evolved over the period of time. Also your banking instructions. Your banking is probably one of the most difficult parts of getting your business trust stuff up and going. Your legal issues, your income tax planning. What about your documents, your state registration, your picture diagrams? All that is relevant. You know, when I was talking to you about doing it yourself, okay, these are all the relevant components that you need to know about and understand in order to get the business trust up and going. And then we've got advanced combinations. What if you've got an existing corporation or LLC? How does that fit, or how does it connect with your business trust? What about your estate plan? Everybody needs an estate plan. I'll talk more about that in a minute. And then you got your multi-trust designs. There's very good reasons for having more than one business trust set up. And this ESeminar includes our expert guidance. We take you through it. It gives you context for your situation. We're responsive to that and what you're trying to accomplish. It's time efficient because of the fact that it's organized and it's laid out in sequence. Otherwise, you get to do all that stuff yourself. It's too tedious. So doing this and walking through this in an organized format, that's the way to learn it. That's the way to get it done right. It's a comprehensive owner's manual. You're not going to need everything today, but the basics that you're going to need, for instance, the quick start guide. Okay, that'll get you up and going today. But some of the more deeper material that part of the ESeminar, it's there when you need it in the future. Some of your tax planning issues. Maybe you've got investors. Okay, and then there's telephone support. You call us, you call me, I'll talk to you and figure out what you're trying to do and give you some type of a guidance. So here's the webinar premium offer. And that is the Business Trust ESeminar. This is what everybody wants. They're looking for the asset privacy, they're looking for the asset safety, and this is what the Business Trust can do for them. And they also need a little bit of context, a little bit of guidance. So you go through the material, you figure out how the different pieces work, and then call me. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about control. We'll talk about taxes, talk about multi-trust. And this is really what people are going for these days. Now, that's what they want, okay, is the Business Trust ESeminar. But they also need an estate plan. And so I'm going to include all that. Normally the business trust by itself is $3 grand, but I'm going to include the estate plan because that's what you need as well, because estate plan goes with any type of business organization, whether it's a business trust, it's a corporation, or it's an LLC, they all fit together. Because if you don't wake up tomorrow, who's going to take over all your stuff? Where about all your passwords? How's your desk laid out? Where are all the pieces? So this is part of what this particular package is all about. So it's complete. That's what this is all about. So how do you get a business trust? You do it yourself. Who knows how much it's going to cost? Certainly the estate plan, you got to figure out how to do all that as well. Or you can get it done for you. Those are 10, or you can get it done with you. And those are 3. And of course, it also includes the estate plan. So your opportunity, go to our website, truststart.com. Here's the link, web offer, includes everything in it. If you got any questions, guys, give me a call and let me know. Thanks very much for spending some time with us today. We'll see you next time.